We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, and we'll get to it in a second, this is normally said as ornaments. Ornaments. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, this is usually said as ornaments. Ornaments in American English versus ornaments in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.